Today I'll show you step by step how to bridge and swap tokens on Across Protocol safely, even as a beginner. Welcome back to SMC Tutorials. But before we continue, if you find our content helpful, do want to buy educational token Wiki Cat. It is built on the Binance Smart Chain and the contract address is in the description of this video. So let's head over to our video. All I'll need is a Web3 wallet, and for the purpose of this video I'll be using my OKX Web3 wallet. I get to click on it and go to explore, then type in across. You can find it here over the dabs, but the URL for across protocol is across.to, and you get to click on bridge now. It takes you over here. You have to connect your wallet, which is over here at the top right corner, and you could connect your wallet, connect your Ethereum, or connect your Solana wallet. But I'll be using my Ethereum wallet. First, you select your source and destination chain, and I would want to bridge from, let's say, Polygon to Base, and I want to bridge one USDC from Polygon to Base, and I click on confirm swap. It's connected automatically to Polygon network, and I go to max and click on confirm amount. This is just approval of the maximum that USDC that could be swapped, and the USDC gets approved, and I clicked on confirm swap, and still I have to approve and just confirm, and it takes me back to the swap, and I just click on confirm. It bridges directly, and you can see bridge and swap, and deposit time 3 seconds, fill time, let's see the fill time it takes. It is literally fast, just 5 seconds, and my transaction is successful. Voila, that's so easy, and it is very fast. Across protocol handles the cross chain settlement usually within 1 minute to 5 minutes, depending on any chain. But you could see right here, it did this within 7 seconds, 7 to 8 seconds, and it's so easy. And you could also swap tokens, like have more like an on-chain swap. I'll just go over here, because since it's a bridge and a swap, bridging is more like swapping from one chain to another chain, but swapping is from same chain to same chain. So let's say I want to swap from USDC Polygon to still Polygon, but let's check. Okay, apparently no route for the polygons. Let's look for the base route, and I want to swap. All right, you could swap from Polygon to your Binance Smart Chain easily too. So apparently routes aren't available to swap directly from the Polygon ecosystem to the Polygon ecosystem. So it is much easier for bridging. The across decentralized application is much easy for bridging, and all you need is just maybe start with a small test amount before you're able to bridge large sums, and always get to use the correct URL, which is app.across.to, and keep a small token amount of your native gas before you swap. And if this tutorial helped you, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.